Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
I heard
southern
you
Baltimore
laugh, but
City
why
in
are you
northern
not
Maryland,
showing your,
northwestern Anne Arundel County
beacon?
in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, eastern Montgomery County in central Maryland,
Oh!
southern Baltimore County in northern Maryland, north
Did it just say Montgomery? Oh, shoot. No.
At
No.
11:54 a.m.,
You
a
did
severe
not just
thunderstorm
say
was located
Montgomery.
over Laurel, or near Columbia, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Severn, Crofton, Beltsville, Elk Ridge, Baltimore, Washington,
You know what? I'm
Airport,
taking the
Glenburn,
HH
Hilltop, Laurel, Fairley,
I'm taking it into the game
Ferndale,
room after I
Brooklyn
finish
Park,
my
Fort
lunch.
Meade, Millersville, Savage, Gifford, Southgate, Humphrey, Skaggsdale, and Ilchester. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning.
Oh, shit.
Seek shelter inside a well-built structure.
Please don't copyright
Stay
me
away
for that
from windows.
YouTube.
Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued Baltimore City in northern Maryland, northwestern Maryland, County in central Maryland.